What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm not here with the co-pilot Jax. But today we are coming to you live from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile, Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Back on track, reviewing this project, checking in. A lot of action happening last time we were up, and we're expecting to see a lot more of the same here on a Monday. Saw a lot of really cool stuff that was starting to get staged a little bit more. A lot of trees coming in, good amount of other shrubs and bushes starting to be brought in. I'm gonna be checking in on a weekly basis here just to capture all of the action. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Thumbs up the video, sub if you haven't already, comment on the video for better for worse. All that goes a long ways in keeping us on the road, bringing you that fantastic February content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.